Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into what many consider the best in the grooming game, the BaBylissPRO LIMITEDFX hair trimmer and shaver Prepack in gold. This duo set brings professional-grade precision and power right to your fingertips, whether you're a barber, stylist, or just someone who appreciates top-notch grooming tools. Right out of the box, the LIMITEDFX collection impresses with its luxurious gold finish that not only looks sleek but is built to last. The Prepack includes two essential tools, a cordless lithium-ion hair trimmer and a powerful rotary motor shaver. Both are designed to handle all hair textures effortlessly, making them perfect for a variety of styles and grooming needs. The trimmer features a high-torque, brushless engine, which means it delivers consistent power and speed without overheating or losing performance over time. This is especially important when you're working through thick or coarse hair, as it ensures smooth and precise cuts every time. Plus, the cordless design offers the flexibility to move freely without worrying about tangled cords or finding an outlet mid-shave. Complementing the trimmer is the shaver, which is equipped with a strong rotary motor. This foil shaver is crafted for a close and clean finish, making it ideal for detail work around the edges or for achieving a perfectly smooth shave. Its ergonomic design fits comfortably in the hand, giving you excellent control and maneuverability. Durability is another highlight of this set. Both tools are constructed with high-quality materials designed to withstand frequent use, whether in a busy salon or at home. The lithium-ion battery provides long-lasting charge, allowing extended use on a single charge, which is a huge convenience. For those who rely on their grooming tools daily, cleaning and maintenance are simple with this Prepack. The detachable blades and shaver heads can be easily removed and rinsed under water, ensuring hygiene and extending the lifespan of the equipment. The overall weight is balanced to avoid fatigue during longer grooming sessions, striking a great harmony between sturdiness and comfort. In terms of functionality, this BaBylissPRO LIMITEDFX Prepack is versatile, catering to beard trimming, haircutting, and shaving needs. Whether you want sharp lines, precise detailing, or a clean shave, this duo provides the performance to get it done quickly and efficiently. So, if you're looking to invest in a professional-level grooming kit that combines style, power, and reliability, the BaBylissPRO LIMITEDFX hair trimmer and shaver Prepack in gold is a standout choice. It offers a complete grooming experience with high-quality tools designed to last and perform. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest and detailed product reviews. See you next time.